Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Virtuo car rental app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Virtuo is a digital car rental app designed to make renting a vehicle completely contactless and hassle-free. Instead of visiting a rental desk, users can book, unlock, and manage their rental car directly from their smartphone. The app provides access to a range of premium vehicles, real-time availability, and 24/7 pickup and drop-off at designated locations. It is available in selected cities across Europe and the United States. The app's main feature is its keyless rental system. Once your booking is confirmed, the app becomes your car key. You can unlock the vehicle, check fuel levels, capture inspection photos, and manage your rental from the app itself. Virtuo also includes smart features such as digital documentation, extended rental options, GPS-based guidance to the pickup spot, and customer support built into the app. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate the smooth, modern interface, the convenience of skipping rental counters, and the premium quality of the cars provided. The app is especially praised for its contactless pickup process, transparent pricing, and easy extension or modification of bookings. Travelers and city commuters often highlight how quick and efficient the entire process feels. However, there are some drawbacks. Virtuo is only available in select cities, which limits accessibility. Some users report verification delays during account setup, especially for first-time renters. Pricing can also be higher compared to traditional rental agencies during peak demand. In addition, since the service is entirely app-based, issues with connectivity or phone battery can disrupt access to the vehicle. In summary, the Virtuo app may be worth using if you want a seamless, fully digital car rental experience with keyless access, premium vehicles, and no counterlines. However, if you prefer wider city availability, lower-cost rentals, or traditional in-person support, it might not be the best fit for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.